Does your reading like really suck? Are you like the worst reader on the planet and you don't know why? Do you read like this when you read? Today I went to the park and I walked my dog all the way to the end of the road and the road was wide. Is that you reading? Is that how you read? Do you read something just to read it and be done and go, oh, I'm so sick of reading. I'm so glad I got that done. Is that you? Well, today I'm going to change your life forever. Let's go. So I came up with something that I like to call dynamic reading. And what is dynamic reading? Dynamic reading involves focusing on the syllables. And how do we do that? The sky arose to greet the sun. Hear every section sounding clear and solid. Those are the syllable sections. And I want those to sound clear because we're going to push and pull on those sections to make this English come alive. Now I'm going to read this passage and I'm going to read it just as dry and as plain as I can. And you tell me if this is how you read, okay? The sky arose to greet the sun. Amidst the dawn, the calm began to fade. Is that you? It sucks. That sucks. That is terrible. And to the listener, I'm like, is this guy done? I hope he's done. I don't want to keep hearing this guy read this passage. If you read like that just to read, we're going to change that right now. Now we're going to push and pull on the syllables. The sky arose to greet the sun. 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 Now you can read each sentence as slowly as you want to give it more energy, more power, more dynamics. The sky arose to greet the sun. You can say it loud, you can say it soft. That is the dynamic energy that you want to use when you're reading. You want to keep your listeners engaged. You have to keep things dynamic. Let's go through and do a reading. The sky arose to greet the sun. Amidst the dawn, the calm began to fade. Arise, morning's new day dawn. Greet the sky again. We can see to toil upon this day. Oh, how I long to hear you speak. Words with feelings, words to see, words to know you, words to be. Now that was the first time I read that through, and it sounded a lot better, right? Now I'm going to read it the second time, now that I kind of know the flow a little bit. The sky arose to greet the sun. Amidst the dawn, the calm began to fade. Arise, morning's new day dawn. Greet the sky. Again, we can see to toil upon this day. Oh, how I long to hear you speak. Words with feelings, words to see, words to know you, words to be. That's really all it is, you guys. Putting energy, feelings, and emotion into your words and using the syllable sounds to push, to pull, and to give it life with your sound, your intonation, your voice. And that makes it dynamic, and it makes it interesting, and it makes it so we want to hear. And if I keep working on this, I could make it better and better and more dynamic. And this is just a quick read just to show you how easy this is, you guys. Quit making your sentences that you read blah. There's no reason for that. And when you start doing this, you're going to enjoy reading. You're going to look forward to reading because it's so much fun. Thank you.